Hello, I'm Julien. I'm working at Valemo, and today we are in our Nantes agency, which is our first base dedicated to the offshore operations, supported by our dedicated teams in Saint-Nazaire and by our second office in Lorient, which is on the west coast, French west coast. And we are going to meet Célia, an offshore asset manager, which is going to explain us her job and more specifically what is the operation of offshore buoys.
Hi, I'm Célia Tarinyewa. Now I work as an operations manager at Valemo. I've been managing operations on the floating glider buoy. My expertise as an offshore operations manager revolve around remotely supervising these buoys, managing operations on the buoys, and also ensuring data integrity. I do this using the in-house built supervision tool, which is called the hypervisor. And I also use the windy forecast map to monitor the weather before every operation. Every buoy that is deployed is very important and very crucial for the site assessment of the future coming wind farm. Therefore, at Valemo, we prioritize timely maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. However, because of the unpredictable weather conditions offshore, this sometimes gets complicated. At Valemo, we also prioritize safety. So my role is to ensure that everyone that goes and operates on our glider buoys is trained and well prepared to face the challenges that are offshore. The first preventive maintenance is performed after 3 months. To plan this operation, I monitor the weather conditions. I reach out to the concerned persons about the availability of the vessel as well as the technicians to operate on this buoy. I analyze the risks associated to this operation because it is very important that everyone that goes to operate on this buoy is aware of the risks involved and the measures to mitigate these risks. And then I will also collect the different procedures to help the technicians as they're repairing the buoy. Once everything is in order, I will schedule the operation on a tool to help us digitalize this operation. During the operation, I receive notifications of the state of the operation. After the operation, I receive a notification showing me that people that have finished the operation and returned to port safely. When the operation is finally done, my job does not end there. I review the report before I send it to the final client.